So the Union Cabinet today approved the proposal to repeal the 3 contentious farm laws for which there had been farmers and protesters on the streets for a year now, from Haryana, from Uttar Pradesh, from election-bound Punjab as well. And at this point, they continue to sit here in these locations, and that is why I've come to the Ghazipur border. So why is today important? Remember, with the winter session of the parliament set to begin on 29th November, India today has learnt that the repealing of farm laws will be on priority list of Modi-led government in the upcoming session. The procedure has started, but it will be to repeal the law in India nearly the same as the procedure to pass one law. Now, with the cabinet approval that has come, next step will be to get it passed in both houses of the parliament, which is the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, and later it would have to be signed into a law by the president's approval.
On 19th of November, on the day of Gurpur, Honorable Prime Minister has announced that the government will repeal the 3 farm laws. And today, when the cabinet met under the able leadership of Prime Minister Modi, we have completed the formalities to repeal the farm laws. And in the upcoming session, it will be our priority to repeal the 3 farm laws in the upcoming session. The government will repeal the 3 farm laws in the upcoming session. The formalities has been completed in today's cabinet meeting as well. Let me just say one thing. On 19th, Prime Minister announced, and today we fulfilled the formalities. And at the same time, as I said, in the upcoming winter session, the priority will be to take these bills and repeal them at the earliest.
इस वक्त हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए किसान नेता राकेश टिकैत जी मौजूद हैं। सर, कैबिनेट की बैठक हुई और उसमें मुहर लगा दी गई है, अब ये लोकसभा में जाएगा, आप क्या कहेंगे?
और ठीक है, बनता है, खत्म हो जाना चाहिए, ठीक है,
खत्म हो जाना।
हाँ,
तो अब आप ये बताएं कि अब आपकी और कौन सी मांग है जो आप सर?
2-3 चीजें अभी हैं। ये आंदोलन खत्म करने में जो नुकसान हुआ, नुकसान जो हमारे परिवार के लोग गए, 750 किसानों की शहादत यहाँ पे हुई, उनका कंपनसेशन है, उनकी जो जगह दे के एक स्मारक हम उनका बनाना चाहते हैं, वो भारत सरकार दे। एमएसपी का एक बड़ा सवाल है देश में, पहले से उठता हुआ आ रहा, वो इस आंदोलन का हिस्सा है, उसको लागू करे, उस पर कानून बनावे।
Right, so at this point, I would also like to go across to our National Affairs Editor, Rahul Srivastav, to give us on the latest on what has been decided as well. Rahul, what precisely is the decision with the government and the procedure? Because here the farmers are not willing to back down. They are not moving away. They still continue to protest at the Ghazipur border. So what do you think is the procedure? By when can we expect the repeal of the farm laws?
Pusha, largely because of the incoming elections in Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, and also some very serious concerns regarding Punjab, which is a border state, and a flare-up on the 26th of January, which is approaching, and remembering that what happened earlier this year. Eventually, the government gave in to the demand of the farmers to repeal the farm laws, and the Prime Minister announced it. Today, the cabinet has okayed the farm laws repeal bill. For repealing the 3 bills, 1 bill has been created, and that will be first taken to the Lok Sabha most likely, and the Business Advisory Committee, all the floor leaders will meet, and a decision will be taken on when the bill will be taken up. But what we are being told, it will be done the soonest. One of the first items on the agenda pushed by the government as far as legislation is concerned could well be the repeal of the farm laws. The government wants to send out a signal that it means what it said, and it's in a haste to do that. And what we are told that once these laws are repealed, then the government will start working on the other promise that the Prime Minister made on the 19th, and that is the formation of a committee with domain experts, with the farmers and their leaders and others, to look into threadbare into all the demands of the farmers. But eventually what the government is also trying to do is show that it is speeding up, because one of the biggest demands of the farmers was repealing. And that's why it wants that the farmers should move out once the laws are eventually repealed in the Lok Sabha and the Raj Sabha. The idea is to do it soonest.
And backtracking, Rahul, also from one of the most difficult decisions, yes, that was taken by the government, but nevertheless, they had to go ahead and do it. Rahul Srivastava, our National Affairs Editor, with all the latest. And now I want to speak to the farmers who have been protesting, but just giving you of how Ghazipur border looks now. Of course, for the past 1 year, it was packed with farmers and protesters. Just giving you a location idea for our viewers as well. Thoda idhar aa jaye. Yahan pe, as you can see, there is, of course, a busy flyover that connects the national capital, Delhi, to Uttar Pradesh. And just adjacent to that was this massive protest site. It has been there for years now. People have, of course, started to dwindle compared to the numbers that were there earlier. But these are farmers who I know have been sitting here for over a year now. Prabal is one of the spokespersons of one of these farmer groups that have been here. Prabal, why is it that you do not want to go? You wanted the government to take back the laws. The first step has been taken today. Anurag Thakur also announced. And yet the protesters are here. Why? Don't you trust the government even now?
Shally, the first of thing are the protests which we are going.
Yes.
We have won the half battle. It's a half battle.
Half battle.
4 demands are there. The first of the repeal of the farm laws. The second is the MSP guarantee law. The third one is the electricity bill amendment bill, which is 2020, to repeal that. And the NCR pollution bill they have introduced. We want the demanding for the repeal of that. And afterwards, in the period of this, in a 1 year period, 700 and more farmers have been martyred in this agitation. And we want the martyr to be compensated by the government.
The ones who died during these protests.
By the government.
What is your biggest demand?
The biggest demand is MSP.
The minimum support price.
Minimum support price, because this is the paddy season. The cultivation of paddy is going on. And in today in UP, the farmers are not getting the minimum support price of 1940. They are bound to sell their product at a cost of 1,200 or 1,100 per quintal. The loss is near about 900 or 800 per quintal up to a farmer.
So you're saying there needs to be a guarantee. What these farmers, I'll help.
And one more.
Yes,
one more demand is this: the Teni Mishra, the Union Home Minister of state, he have been being a conspirator of the massacre which will happen in Lakhimpur Kheri. He will be expelled out from the cabinet.
He needs to be
expelled out and be arrested.
Okay. So there are 2 demands. First, as per the farmers, it is the minimum support price that they want a guarantee of from the government. But they're also saying, we all remember the Lakhimpur Kheri incident, and that Neta from the party, from the cabinet needs to go. That's what these farmers are saying. Let's talk to others as well. आपसे बात करते हैं. आप बताइए कि क्यों अभी भी जब सरकार से आप चाहते थे वापस हो गई लॉ, अभी भी आप लोग गाजीपुर पे यहाँ पर बैठे हैं. Just to add here, there are farmers from Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, all of them here. बताइए.
See, first I would like to clear to your audience and to your all TV teams, we are here with our very clear demands. Our very first demand was repeal all 3 laws.
Yes.
And our Prime Minister took 1 year and more than 700 martyrs, right? As well as day first we were very clear with our demand. It was minimum support price. So what is the minimum support price? Because many people are creating illusion about MSP. MSP farmer is demanding, it's a minimum. Minimum, if I say in Hindi, न्यूनतम समर्थन मूल्य, minimum to minimum. We people grow our crop and government declares the price, at what price we can sell our crop. But even then we are not getting that much. So it's very clear demand. And in 2011, when Modi ji was the Chief Minister of Gujarat, he used to write the letters to Prime Minister. When that very time Dr. Manmohan Singh was the Prime Minister, he used to demand to Prime Minister, you must given the MSP guarantee to the farmers. You are giving the MSP, but farmers are not getting MSP.
Okay, so MSP is now the demand. Before I in fact go on to other stories as well, what I want you to see here is, importantly, these farmers are saying we are not moving. तो अब MSP, अब आपको न्यूनतम जो प्राइस है अब उस पे आपका वो डिमांड है, वो आप चाहते हैं. But क्या आप लोग अभी भी बैठे रहेंगे? अभी भी आप लोग सब बैठे हैं यहाँ पे? हाँ, आप क्यों, आप में से अभी भी आपको विश्वास नहीं है कि सरकार वापस ले लेगी जब पूरा जो लॉज है?
सरकार ने जब हमारी वार्ताएं सरकार के साथ संयुक्त मोर्चे की हुई तो इस सरकार ने 2 बिल वापस लेने की बात कही थी। एक तो इन्होंने कहा था इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल, जिसको हमने कहा था, सरकार ने कहा हम वापस ले रहे हैं। दूसरा इन्होंने कहा था कि हम जो पोल्यूशन वाला था उसको जो है हम जो किसानों के लिए सजा का प्रावधान है उसको हटा रहे हैं। लेकिन अपने दोनों वायदों से सरकार मुकरी है। अभी भी जो आज 25 बिल लिस्टेड हुए हैं उनमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल भी लिस्टेड है। तो इसलिए हम ये कहना चाहते हैं कि सरकार अपने पहले किए गए वायदे से भी किसान आंदोलन के लोगों से मुकरी है।
तो प्रबल जी एक तो मुझे बताइए कि ऐसे तो अभी डिमांड था पहले किसान के जो लॉज हैं वो नहीं है किसान के फेवर में, वापस लीजिए, लॉ वापस अनाउंसमेंट हो गया। अब कह रहे हैं किसान की MSP की गारंटी दीजिए। तो ऐसे तो नए डिमांड आते ही रहेंगे।
ये नए डिमांड इज नॉट ए न्यू डिमांड। From the starting of this agitation and the protest, our demand is 4. I'm saying that repeal of the farm laws and MSP guarantee law
needs to come.
Needs to become.
It has been there. Okay. हाँ, आप बताइए।
हम जो लोग आए थे न तो वो केस लेके आए थे और 750 से ज्यादा लोग यहाँ खत्म हो गए हैं। मोदी जी ने जो हमें दिया था बिना मांगे कानून, काले कानून जिसे हम कहते थे, वो कानून वापस ले लिए। लेकिन जिन लोगों को यहाँ से आके घर जाएंगे, केस लेके जाएंगे, ये सरकार उनको जिंदगी बर्बाद कर देगी। वो केस भी वापस होंगे और 750 से ज्यादा लोग जो मौत हो गई है, मोदी जी ने एक ट्वीट तक नहीं किया उन लोगों पे। उनके लिए भी संवेदना व्यक्त करनी पड़ेगी और उनके लिए भी कुछ न कुछ
कंसोलेशन, compensation for the families of those who died during these protests, specifically the farmers and the protesters, and the minimum support price. Let me, yes, I'll come to you because I want to show our viewers the location as well. थोड़ा सा साइड हो जाए। देखिए, right now that stage looks empty, but I can tell you just a few weeks ago it was packed. It was absolutely packed. There used to be addresses. It's a festive season, they are saying, so maybe some of those farmers have gone, but they'll come back. So this is just to tell you that it's not that the location has gone empty. The farmers are here and they'll come. Yes, Prabal, you wanted to add, और आप बताइए, और आप लोग से भी और से बात करें। आप बताइए।
1 साल से हम यहाँ बैठे हैं। अभी तो मोदी जी जो हमें गिफ्ट दे रहे थे वही अपना गिफ्ट उन्होंने वापस लिया है। जो जबरदस्ती नाक बंद करके हमें जहर पिला रहे थे, वो पिलाने से मैंने किया है।
जहर था ये?
बिल्कुल जहर था, इसीलिए तो हम यहाँ खुले आसमान के नीचे बैठे थे। अब हम घर जाएंगे तो खाली हाथ कैसे चले जाएं? वहाँ गांव के लोग पूछेंगे 1 साल से आप मोदी जी के दरवाजे पे बैठे थे, क्या लेके आए? तो हम उन्हें कुछ तो बताएं। यहाँ
क्या तो आप वो मिनिमम
सपोर्ट प्राइस, जी हाँ बिल्कुल आपने सही कह दिया। जो मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस की गारंटी पे संसद चल रही है, तो उसमें लगे हाथ हमारे लिए भी एक ये गिफ्ट हमें दे दें, खुशी खुशी हम घर जाएं और यहाँ से मोदी जिंदाबाद का नारा भी हम लगा देंगे। लेकिन ऐसे खाली हाथ घर नहीं जाएंगे।
तो नए साल का कहते हैं आपको, त्योहार का, नए साल का गिफ्ट वही होगा।
बिल्कुल वही गिफ्ट होगा, सही कहा आपने।
तो अभी आप लोग, हाँ आप लोग मतलब आप लोग खुश नहीं हैं।
दिस इज नॉट अ गिफ्ट, इट्स नॉट द मैटर ऑफ न्यू ईयर, इट्स नॉट द मैटर ऑफ एनीथिंग, इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ bread and butter. Because we are not asking anything special, we are asking just MSP. Just I would like to clear minimum support price. Pooja, when you joined this very channel, so you might have got your appointment letter. So your salary was defined in your appointment letter and same salary you receive. But what we get exactly, what government decide our MSP, we are not getting.
Final point to end, because minimum support price is now the highlight. Do you think that is now the most important aspect for any farmer? Specifically small farmers.
It is not for the small farmer. It is for the whole farmer of the whole country.
Okay.
For the whole country. It is a question of our existence of the farmer.
As you heard it, yes. Thank you so much. Yes. For all of you for telling us, because remember, for now the minimum support price, they are saying it is imperative for the farmers to continue. They need to have that MSP in order to continue what they have been doing, which is farming, and they want the government, and they say, while some call it a gift, some say it's not gift, it's bread and butter. I'm